Hi, welcome to my channel. Would you like to create this effect using Canva?
Yes!
Then watch until the end. First, go to your design page. Choose a color background. Once you are satisfied with your background, go to Text and add your preferred text. Next, click Effects and choose Hollow. Apply it to both words. Once done, go to Share and click Download. Once you have downloaded it, go back to your original design and remove the effects on both words. Next, go to Elements and search for the triangle frame. Make sure to choose this exact frame to achieve the effect we are aiming for here. Then adjust it on the side like this. Then click on the three dots here and click on Show Layers. Make sure the frame is on top of both words. Then adjust it. Once done, drag the photo we downloaded earlier and adjust it inside the frame. Then go to Elements and search for Line, then add it to make our image pop more. You can also adjust the thickness of the line. And here's the final result. Don't forget to hit the like button and be sure to subscribe to stay updated when I upload a new video. See you in the next video.